Hey, sorry about this. I want to go ahead and apologize. That day we were using a different mic and it was very windy and the audio came out almost unusable, to be honest. So instead of forcing you to listen to this terrible, terrible the mask and then the wind, it was just terrible. Anyways, these two girls agreed to go ahead and kind of guide us around that day. The idea was we were going to go ahead and look at some condos. One of the things me and Lenny talked about is to try to put out some videos with cost of living here in Thailand and what it would cost. Today's video is about looking at condo between $350 and $400. I think the condo we ended up looking at is the one I actually got. It is 12,000 baht, which equals 360 USD at today's market. Anyways, these girls were very kind and they drove me around, and yeah, don't be ashamed to be driven around here in Thailand, man, because traffic is crazy. I'm guaranteeing you they are 1,000 times better driver than you or me, so you gotta get over that. All right, enjoy. Right here we got some. Look at this, my new friend here. What's your name?
My name is Tony.
Tony, where are you from, Tony?
I'm from England.
From England? Oh, really? What part?
I come from London.
I love your hat. Look at that hat.
Oh yeah.
Tony's
So somehow I end up having lots of brothers in America.
Yeah.
So I decided to come out.
Right on. Support. Love the support. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you. Here we go. Okay. Here we go.
Okay.
Let's ride. You go left. Had to make a pit stop. We gotta gas up the hog. Gotta gas her up. Yeah, it's a fine machine right there. Two? Well, I guess we're gonna gas up both the hogs. Get another look at this bad boy. Hot rod. Had to get something to eat, so we stopped by the Gubar Cafe and Restaurant somewhere on one of these highways here right outside of Kata. I don't know, but the view here looks amazing. I guess this is what you come here for. I'll give you a report on the food here soon. microphone.
บอกได้มั้งว่าสละ
สบอยโอ้
สบายดี
โอ้
คือสิหันมาจะได้
Where you going?
เอาสิหันไปใส่
กูสิหันนี้จะอาย
มันหมักซุ่มเขาเห็นไหนไงตัวมามวนเซยบุดที่บอกว่าเห็นบอกมันก็สิซุ่มมาให้ไหนไงกูปักห้าป๊อบมึง
I have no idea what they're saying, but I'm sure they're talking about my mom or something. Probably making fun of me. Stupid white boy.
มันบอกว่ามันเป็นบ้า
This is coconut soup. It's one of my favorite dishes. My favorite. Saboy. Saboy. Did I say it right? Did I say it wrong?
ย
What? Yum?
ำยำทะเลหมูทอด
Okay. I don't know what she just said again. Probably something about the food. Or me. I don't know. This first place we're gonna go look at is for 12,000 baht a month. That comes out to about 380 USD. So I'm gonna take a look. The realtor just got here, so we're gonna go take a look at this place. I'll show you. So this is what 12,000 baht gets you here. 12,000 baht 1 month. 12,000 baht is about depending on exchanges, the time it's maybe 350 to 390 a month. It's pretty decent. This one, you can have this one though. This one is mine. I went ahead and got this one today. Nice little, it's already fully furnished. All you have to do is drop your bags, unpack, and you are home. It does not come with 2 TVs. They're going to pull this one out tomorrow. I guess there's something wrong with it. This is my TV. But yes, you get some storage space. It's pretty much fully equipped. Oh, sorry, that one doesn't open. That's for doing dishes, I guess. But you've got some glassware. We've got, all right. We've got cookware, which is nice. Little garbage can. Storage space. Some silverware. Some more cookware. Cutting board. A shopping bag. That's nice. Just bought one. Some dishes. A microwave, which is pretty awesome. I think I got this. Some wine glasses. Maybe pop a little bottle tonight. Got a little stove top here. The sink. Toaster. Water boiler. Some knives. I got a kitchen knife set. This little fridge. Went ahead and went to the store earlier today. It's pretty modern looking. Nothing too crazy. It's simple. I mean, this is basically like 400 USD. Pretty simple. They kind of hook you up, so you're ready to go first night. Toilet. Nice little shower situation. Okay, back out. This is the master bedroom, I guess, if there is a master bedroom. This is the bigger one, so that's why I'm assuming. Got plenty of closet space. Got a little safe there to keep all your bot or your valuables. Let's see what we got going on here. Some more closet space. Looks like a hairdryer or something. I don't know if that... I'll look into that later. Pretty nicely decorated, very simple still. Nothing crazy, but like I said, you know, about 400 bucks a month USD. Now, one thing about this is kind of hotel style, so the air conditioning and electric won't power on until you have this key in this slot, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. You know, I'm grateful to have air conditioning here. If you've ever been to Thailand, you know, very hot. I love kind of the decor they give you, you know. Nothing too crazy, it's pretty simple. This is the spare bedroom. I got a 2-bedroom unit. Not sure what this will be used for, but it's nice to have extra space if you need it. This is pretty much, I think, one of the things that sold me on this particular place. You got a little balcony here to sit down on, and it overlooks the pool area. Pretty nice. And a little sweeping of the area. Pretty nice, modern looking place, but this is one of the things that like really sold me. It's not a lot of view, you know, it's not nothing perfect. I mean, we're probably about, let's say 400 to 600 meters from the ocean, which is pretty nice. I'm not mad at that. I won't be mad at looking at that every night. Ground view. Looks like a little walk area here. Very nice. So, yeah. When you come to Thailand, you make sure to, you know, look up the properties, and I can put links down in the video for the company that I got this through. Very nice people, very helpful, very quick process. Yeah, so that's that. This would cover the 400 baht a month. Sorry, $400 a month. I would say 1,200 baht section. We're gonna try and hit different price points. All right, that's it.